Yeah, again, folks, we're getting an update for Prestwick Promenade celebration. We've got the Thor hammer set up. If you see, look down there, everything's starting to thrive, is the word. Thrive or bounce, or the atmosphere is starting to be electric here as we grow nearer to the starting date. But we've got 2 guinea pigs today, 2 guinea pigs. We've got Tony here, Josh and Harry are here, right? Josh and Harry are here. They're going to try out the guinea pigs to try out the Thor hammer before we start. Now, the bother is with the boys is this: Josh and Harry, you'll know them. Now we're your radio up-and-coming stars. Am I right or wrong, boys?
You're 100% correct.
There you go, up-and-coming stars. So see, when I'm going to be up the hill, they'll just be coming to the bottom of the hill.
I know.
Right, what we're going to do this, boys, right? See the Thor hammer. We did have a wee let's go, be honest about it. We cheated a wee bit. I showed them a wee bit before we went on the air to show them what to do.
Just a wee introduction.
Right, what one do you want?
I'll go. Do we work our way up? You know?
No.
No.
It's not as easy as that. I think you should try the big one. What you Josh or Harry?
I'm Josh.
So you're Josh, you must be Harry.
I'm Harry, that's
There
it.
you go, right.
Big one.
On you go.
Right.
Now, before we're going to further, see today, there are going to be 2 trophies here today. The senior and the junior one. We'll see who wins it today. Right, I'll stand here. Right.
The jacket's coming off, I'm ready.
The jacket's off, the jacket's off. This is serious, folks. This is serious. Right. And I'm going to count you. Because my timekeeper's not here yet. So I'm going to count you, right? Drimple way, right? Okay, you miss every second letter or word, okay?
Alright.
Right, okay.
Try and get it off the table.
Right. When you go. Straight arms, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, now you're your radio.
7.
Sunday Rumble.
8,
My foot's
9,
spasming.
8, up high. 9, 10, up high, boy. Come on, boy. Right, that's him. Right. I'll give you 8 seconds. Right, Harry, you come forward.
8 seconds, that's what I'm beating.
Right, okay, we're ready here. Right.
This is going serious.
Get the jacket off her, get the jumper off, we'll try this day. Come on, folks.
Right.
This is going to be a good day today here. All these people trying this, I'll tell you that. We're going to be busy.
Right, where am I putting this?
We're raising money for the Ayrshire Hospice. They boys are raising money for the Christmas lights at Prestwick. So there you go.
They call me Harry the Rock Johnston.
Right,
Let's
okay.
do this.
Right, I'll tell you when. And your arm straight, by the
Arm
way. Arm
straight,
straight. Right. Go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll give you a long 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Oh, there you go. The boys done good, didn't they? Right, boys, you've done great there. Over the moon with you.
Thank you.
They boys are going to be there next door with that there, the card. Is it higher or lower?
Play your cards right.
Well, see the next time you do this, hopefully you'll be higher with your score with
Hopefully
Thor
I'll be higher.
hammer. So there you go, folks. I'm not going to say see you all later, folks, because I'm going to be back to meeting you all more than okay. And it's cheerio for me, and it's
Cheerio from us.
see you all later, folks.